I'm not mad, baby. Don't concern yourself with such trivial matters, you heard? I don't want to burden you with that. How was your day,
No,
baby?
Daddy, don't. Just tell me.
Alright.
Please just tell me.
You
Yes,
really want
just
to know?
tell me.
You really want to know? It was. Alright, listen. Rest in peace, my son Kanan Starr. Number one. You heard? They should have been got rid of Tariq. And that's really it. You know what I'm saying? Where's Yaz at? You heard? We've been asking for Yaz for the last 2 seasons. We don't know where she at. You understand? Like, Tasha is corny. Because, like, why are you dealing with Silver? Silver? Like, son name is Delterius. That should have tell you right there someone's going to get out of there. He was going to skedaddle. His name is Delterius. There's too many vowels in there.
Why are you so mad, Daddy?
I'm really mad at Terezi, you know what I'm saying, and Tommy for believing what he talking about. You heard? That's a problem for me. And Cooper Sacks and John Mack and the little bald-headed black dude, the detective. What's his name? You know what I'm talking about. That's who I'm mad at. That's why I'm mad, baby. But like I said, how was your day?
Good.
And I'm not mad, baby. I'm practicing to be Ghost, just in case. You know what I'm saying? Growing the beard, just in case they need another, like a, you know what I mean, background help or support or whatever for next season. You heard? That's all, baby. How was your day, though?
Good.
You heard?